Hi family, welcome back to Ladensa Crochets. If you're new here, you're welcome. My name is Liz and welcome back to yet another vlog. I mentioned that I was going to try and bring you into the process of creation of the pieces, the crochet pieces that I make. And today is on Monday, the 7th of October 2024, and it's around 2 p.m. And this is what I've been up to through the morning. I woke up and I finished on this dress, the mesh halter dress. The part that was remaining by the end of last week was the ruffles, so I finished those in the morning, and then I also went on to finish the edging on the dress, and I did the straps. Then after I was done with the dress, I did the ruffle hat. Check out that hat. I love it. I love it. Now, these two pieces were done by one of my crochet friends. Her name is Marion. Shout out to you, Marion. And her channel is Marion Crochets. So to create these two pieces, the ruffle hat and the halter dress, I used her tutorials. I'm going to leave the links to the tutorials in the description box below. So go watch the tutorials on Marion Crochets YouTube channel, and don't forget to subscribe to her channel. While at it, don't forget to subscribe to mine too. I was supposed to do the dress last week together with some other pieces that I did, but then I got a flu, and then it got so hard to work through all the pieces that I had planned to do. Also, I was supposed to do a shirt and a short, and as you can see, I already started on the shirt. But along the way, the client changed, and now he wants a vest. So I'll be undoing part of this, and I'll be changing this from a shirt into a vest. So I've already done one of the panels. It was complete, and I'd also already started on the second panel. So all these I did last week. So this is what I've done today, and then there are the other pieces I already showed you in the previous vlog. Let me show them to you. We have the turtleneck halter top, the headband, the granny square top, and the granny stitch skirt. All the tutorials are available. This order, like I mentioned, it belongs to my friend, and she had only ordered the dress. But because she's my friend and I love her so much, I decided to give her a bonus hat. So I made this hat for her for free because she's been so patient with me. She's waited for this dress for so long. She paid me a long time ago. Like, I already ate the money and forgot about it, but she's been patiently waiting for it. The good thing is she's using it this week because she's going on a holiday. So yeah, I'm delivering it on time. This is how the outfit looked on my friend. Such a perfect fit, right? She looked amazing. Instead of frogging this first, what I'm going to do is I'll work this panel and complete it as a vest, one part of the vest, and then after that I'll go on to frog this so that I can, for a vest, the panel is not supposed to be straight. So I want to like frog on the upper part, and then I'll make it curved at the top on either of the sides, make it into a curve. So that is what I'm getting into this afternoon. Let me get right to it and see how long it's going to take me to complete this. What I'm doing is I'm doing a row of the mesh stitch, that is the double crochets and a chain in between, and I'm alternating that row with the row of single crochets. So I've just completed the mesh row. Now I'm working the single crochet row, and I'm alternating between the two rows until I get the length from the waist to the armpits. I'm getting through those rows, and once I get the length from the armpit up to the waist, I'm going to cut off the gray yarn and attach the black because I'm working with the two colors. I've done 29 rows with the gray yarn. I'm not yet at the armpits because I want these a bit longer, so I'm going to do 4 rows with the black yarn. 4 rows, that is. Now for the black, I'm going with this whip. I've had this whip for over five months now. I think I started this in March, and because I've not completed it and I don't feel like completing it, I'm just going to frog it and use the yarn because it's going to waste. It's been 5 months. It's time to get rid of it. I was doing a kimono using the chain stitch, and black is not my favorite. Like, I know it's not a favorite for many, but I hate working with black. I tried to get through this. I ran out of yarn, and that is why I did not finish. But once I put it down, I was not able to go back to it. So I'll just frog it and use it for the project that I'm working on right now. So I'll just frog as I go. So starting with the slip knot, I'll reconnect the black yarn. And then I'm going to work a total of 4 rows with the black yarn before I start reducing in order to get the curve. I've done a total of 4 rows, and now I'll start reducing on this side and the other side. It's 5:15, and this is how far along I am. I want to hit the gym right now. When I come back, I'll continue, or tomorrow in the morning. I'm not sure if I want to work at night today. If I have the energy, I'll continue tonight. If I don't, then I start again tomorrow. This is the complete back panel after doing the reduction on the sleeve parts. So there's this one that I had already completed, and I was working a shirt, but then I have to work a vest, and I'm supposed to frog up to the black part. So what I'll do is I'll get my pair of scissors and cut. Instead of frogging, I'll just cut in this gray row right after after the black rows. I do not have the time to frog. Instead of frogging and then starting over, I just frog as I use the yarn as I go. It's easier that way, and it saves a lot of time. So these I'll use later. Now I'll just undo this last row that I've not cut. I've cut on the double crochet row, the mesh row. So then I'll undo the single crochet row now. So now this is a row from where I'm supposed to start reducing. It's time to start filming the tutorial. So right here I'm just setting up. On the notebook I'm making a sketch of whatever I'll be making for easier illustration, taking the measurements needed and noting them down. All this is happening on Tuesday, by the way, and I went on to complete the vest on Tuesday. I think Tuesday was the most productive day for me because I recorded the tutorial and I finished on the vest on the same day, and by 11 p.m. on that day I was done. So this is just a short video of how I go through the process of making the vest and getting it all together. If you would like to watch the tutorial to the vest, click on the link in the description box and you're going to see. I'm leaving all the links right there, so you'll see the link to the vest tutorial. 17 minutes past 11 p.m. on Tuesday night is when I completed the vest, and this is what we have. On Wednesday, I did not record anything. I spent the day editing the tutorials. It's 11:44 on Wednesday. Thursday, actually. 11:44 on Thursday, the 10th of October, 2024. I woke up at 5 today, 5 a.m. I've not gone to the gym. I have not done anything much. This is all I've crocheted. Like, I don't feel like doing anything today. I just want to be on my phone. I could edit videos and post, but I don't feel like crocheting. And the plan was to do a matching short for this vest, and I wanted to finish it today, but it's almost 12 and I've not started yet. Like, I've started, but this is not much, right? If I was serious, I would be done with one of the legs of the shorts. Well, it's not that I'm not serious. It's just there are days when I wake up and I don't feel like crocheting. It looks like I crochet all the times. I don't. Sometimes I do not have like the psyche to crochet. And today is one of those days. And I'm supposed to be done with this short by tomorrow morning. I've not started filming the tutorial. I'm also supposed to film that tutorial. And I'm not sure if I'll finish. I'll try. It's a holiday actually in Kenya. and maybe my body is in the mood for a holiday, and maybe I should take a break. But I'll try crocheting a little bit, and we shall see how far along I'll get by the end of the day. I'm also supposed to go to the salon and have this hair undone. So I don't know. We shall see how the day moves along. If I finish one of the legs by the end of the day, I'll have done so much today. So let me keep going. I want to start watching. By the time I watch an episode or two, I'll be done with something. Yeah, I'll have gotten somewhere. So let me get right to it. So here I'm watching as I crochet. I'm trying as much as possible to keep crocheting because I don't feel like it at all. I've managed to complete one of the legs of the shorts, and this is a big win for me. I actually didn't think that I was going to do this by the end of the day, but I'm done. I'm done, and I'm so excited to be doing the second leg. And it's at 15:55. Like, I could be done with this short by now. Anyway, I'll be filming the tutorial using the other leg, and then I'll join them into a shot. Lately, I've been feeling like working one leg at a time gives me a better shot rather than working from the top to bottom and separating the legs in the middle after the fly. So I've been leaning more towards making the shots one leg at a time. So now that I'm done with the first leg, I'll make the next one and then join. So I'll do that as I film the tutorial. I decided to take a break and went out for a walk. Well, maybe it wasn't just a walk. I went out to get myself some roasted corn. Haki nimeindishwa wanaita roasted corn. What? At 8:46 a.m. on Friday morning, I've already done the second leg, and this is how far along I am. I've actually recorded the tutorial up to this point, so I'm just finishing up. And yeah, I was done with the short by midday, and I took a break for the rest of the day. As you can see right here, we have the complete set, that is the vest and the pair of shorts. On Saturday morning, I woke up at 8 a.m. I did not film anything because I spent the morning editing the tutorial to the short and making sure that it's uploaded. Here we are on Saturday at around 4 p.m. Today is hair day. It's actually not hair day. I'm just undoing this hair. I've been calling my salonist to undo it for me. She's been saying that she's going to call me, but she's not called me. And I know how to do my own hair. I don't even know how long my hair is. I know it's not that long, but I'm not risking it. So I'll cut it. I'll cut at that point where the hair is not done. My hair is not that long. I don't know why I'm cutting it so high. Wait. My hair is actually long. It's long enough to get back to my micro locks, right? I finished undoing my hair. Then I went out to run some errands. I've just gotten back home right now. It's at, let's see, it's at 8:11. A tutorial has just gone up for these shorts. So you guys should check it out. If you've not watched it yet, just click on the link below and watch the tutorial. I'll be leaving the links for the outfits that are made in the course of this week. So these two, the shorts and the vest. Now, I was supposed to do these shirts. Actually, what I want to do with this shirt is undo it and make it longer. I got a client who wants the shirt, but they want me to add like a square below. So that means I'll add a square on the front part and a square at the back part. So I'm adding like 4 squares, 2 on this side, 2 on this other side. And I do not have the intention of starting this shirt afresh. And since I've not sold this one, I'll just unravel the parts that can be unraveled, especially the back. I'm going to unravel these parts in between, then I'll do the extension. The sleeves are there, I'll just attach them. I'll just remove them and attach them later once I've made the shirt longer. So I think I'm not going to crochet today, but I'll cut this shirt. I'll cut those parts that I don't need, and then I'll do it probably on Monday or maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. No, tomorrow is Sunday. I'm resting. If I don't get to rest, I might do part of it tomorrow. So I'll cut. I'll just cut. I do not have the intention of unraveling. That's a lot of work. Here I'm just cutting through the back part. I want to remove the squares and have them remain joined as they were. Wow, I just cut the wrong way. Oh my god. No, I love to redo this part, but I'll be careful on the other side. It's supposed to be one long panel like this. I wasn't supposed to cut. It should be that way. But I'm going to join. I'll join them. So let me be careful with this other one to make sure that I don't cut the wrong place. Let me start cutting at the shoulder, because that's where I've made the mistake, right here. Yeah, I just made another one too early. What am I doing? Why did I even cut? I should have just unraveled. Was it so hard to just look for the end and then unravel? Was it so hard to do that? Now I love to start all over again with the squares, and that's what I didn't want to deal with. But because I wanted to cut, I was taking a shortcut. Now I've messed up. I wouldn't advise for anyone to take this kind of a shortcut, because I've ended up wasting the yarn and I've also not gotten the right thing that I wanted. This is how it looks, except that I've made a mistake somewhere in the middle, and I'll have to correct that. This is where I'm going to stop for the day. I'm done with this video. I don't think I'll be recording anymore for the rest of the remaining hours of the week. So thank you so much for watching the video. If you've enjoyed this video and you feel like I should do more, comment down below, and you can also comment with suggestions on what do you think I should include in the videos to make them more exciting. So talk to me, guys, in the comment section, and don't forget to watch the tutorials for these two and the other tutorials that are available on this channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.